What's happening, everybody? Woo! Don't worry, I am back. Back with a vengeance. I am just in beautiful Cancun, Mexico. Yes, got in this morning, haven't slept in about 30 some odd hours, down here at the old beach. Oh, it's just beautiful out, just beautiful. And yeah, videos are gonna be coming on the way, lots of good stuff gonna be happening. Can't wait, can't wait. Right now, I'm just doing some beaching. I'm here with a couple friends that I met last time, so I'll be staying with them for this week. And I believe after that, I'll be heading over to Merida. I don't want to take the same route I did last time, so I'm gonna try and change it up a little bit. But oh man, it feels some good to get back out here, some good to get back recording. Oh man, I even got a drone. Even got some drone footage. I know, how many times can I say drone? Oh well, right? Well everybody, it is just going to be a short vlog today. Testing out the old drone, hair blowing in the wind. Oh, good stuff. There's going to be lots of upcoming videos here. I'm back on her, ready to roll. I can't wait.